Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I'm available for representation. I have a great team of just former IRS agents, attorneys, and CPAs. We just focus on tax resolution. You know, as a former IRS agent, let me turn my light on right here, a little better for you. You know, a lot of people ask me, you know, you owe IRS back tax debt, and or people may say, hey, how does IRS actually find my assets? Well, I did this for a living, so let me explain. So, a you can at your computer. It wasn't like that when I worked there, but I know revenue officers now. So this is how this works. You can sit at your computer and find out as much information as you want to know about that person. What do I mean by that? I can pull up your last 6 years tax return. So you say, well, you haven't filed. I can pull up all your 1099s and your W-2s or any stock or Bitcoin stuff that you had. From there, I can check LexisNexis. They have, there's two different LexisNexis. There's one, in fact, that the public accesses that has a bunch of good information on there, and there's one that government agencies access. Everything about real estate, cars, suits, everything. So then from there, they can go ahead and pull your credit report. From there, they can go ahead and not only pull your credit report, they can find out what you're charging, how much you're charging, what your average charges are. Then they can go ahead, if they want, they can summons or subpoena for your financial statements that you've turned into bank institutions and credit institutions and show what you're showing, because you're usually the financial statements you're sending to them are really a lot better, a lot more spicy worth of assets. Plus, they can also find out if you have any home insurance riders. They can check with Homeland Security. They can check on passports, guns, business license. They can find out all this information usually within 15-20 minutes. If you have a checking account, they can summons the bank and pull your checks if they want to look at them. So I just want to tell you, as a former IRS agent, agents have access to tons of information that they gather usually within about 15 minutes before they work your case. So they can probably, they're just really asking you for information just to really see if you're lying. They have that much information. So if you have a large tax debt and you don't know what to do with it or how IRS is going to work the case, let me know. We're former IRS agents. We tell you the truth. By the way, give me a subscription if you would. You will learn more about IRS from me than probably most other people. I've been doing this for 50 years. I was an agent for 10. Thank you so much.